Next, we're going to be making our vegan one. Now we're going to deep fry our steak fries. You should cook your steak fries for 6 to 7 minutes or until golden brown. You usually want to have them sit for 2 minutes on both sides. As you can see, these are cooked, so now we're going to put them on this plate right here. While we're waiting for our fries to finish, we should start adding dressing to the bread. We've already prepped our vegetables, so now we're going to put on the sandwich. Now we're going to take out our fries. For the seasoning on our fries, we're going to be using everything bagel seasoning, some garlic, some Parmesan cheese, some black pepper. We're going to top it off with parsley flakes. Now you can put a spoonful of avocado. Today we made a BLT.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, this is good.
It's great. In fact, I love the mustard. I've never had mustard on a BLT. But it's really good.
Yeah, I was gonna say the tomato actually tastes like really fresh too.
Yeah.
So I really like that.
And the bacon is cooked perfectly.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you guys like?
I would say this is a 10. This is definitely the best one I've had. I love it. I've never had it with avocado before, and it's really good.
I would say a 9 because I really love the mustard addition, but I also like it toasted. So, I mean, that's the only reason though. Every other reason, I love it. It would have been a 10.
Yay! Yay!